Today I'm planning to talk about word can. We use can. We often use can to talk about something, someone's ability or power to do something or to ask permission. That is where we use can. And another way of using can is there is chances of getting something. That is where we use can. And present tense and future tense, we use can. And could is past tense of can. Can is present and could is past. And we also use could, which is a less formal way of asking question like permission. Can is a formal way of asking something to do or and ability. It also shows someone's ability to do something, that skill and that is where we use can. Let me start one by one. While doing, I explain. I can speak three languages. It shows this person's ability. He has that skill to speak three languages. He will able to speak because he knows this language, three languages. So he is telling, I can speak. He has that able to speak. He does know these languages. So it tells, I can do. It shows his power, skill towards these languages. And next one, she can play the piano. She can play the piano. She knows how to play the piano. So she had learned, and she now she can play. If we say like she can't play, that means she doesn't know how to play. Here she does because she knows how to play the piano. She had learned how to play, so she has this skill to play the piano. That is what it means. And next one, can you hand me the pencil? Can you hand me the pencil? You need help to give that pencil. You ask help from other person to give pencil to you to get that pencil. You need help from other person to give pencil. And next one, can I go to the park? You want permission to go to park, to go to the park. You want. You're waiting for you have been waiting for their response till you get response from that person. You don't go to the park. You wait what that person will say. If you are permitted, then you go to the park. If you are not, if you didn't get any permission, then you can't go. That is what it means. And next one, can I help you? If you are a kind person, you always try to help other people when they are really in need of someone's help, and you go and ask, can I help with this? And next one, I can send this letter for you. I can send letter for you. I can send this letter for you. This person is telling, if you need, I can able to, I will able to send. So as that possibility, he can able to send. He has that rights and all, so he can send. There is possibility of sending, so he will able to do this thing for you. And next one, you cannot drive fast. You cannot drive fast due to some roads construction or some restricted area next to road. They usually place boards by writing drive slowly, and some symbols also they put grass symbols due to some construction is going on, so that you cannot drive you uh, like in that roads and all, because of some curves where they put like go slowly, drive slowly. That is what it means. That time other people tell you can't drive fast, go slow, drive slow. And the next one, you are not allowed to drive fast, like not permitted due to that roads and all. That is what it means. And the next one, you cannot smoke here. You cannot smoke here. Some restricted places you are not allowed to smoke, like if hospitals or some other places they don't allow to smoke. There you may ask, you will be asked to smoke some other places. You will be asked by some other people to smoke somewhere because there is a restriction to do smoke and all. That is what you can't. You are not allowed to do smoke. That is what it means. And next one, smoking can cause cancer. There is possibility of getting cancer due to smoking. These are all bad habits. When people having habit of smoking, they get chances of getting cancer. And the next one, it can get very hot there these days. Like chances of getting hot in that place, what where this person is talking about specific. There may be that place is hot, even though winter seasons, if that place is very warm and during summer, even they may feel even hot. So this person is saying it can get very hot there these days. Chances of getting more hot due to weather and all. That where that person is talking about that place, where it belongs to and all. It depends upon whether that place is hot, even though winter season, and there will be more hot during the hot summer seasons. And next one, can I borrow your notebook? Can I borrow your notebook? You want permission. You are asking, can I take? You are asking other person you wanted to take their notebook. So you need permission. Can I borrow? Can I take your book? Formal way of asking. Can I speak to Mary? You wanted to speak to Mary, so you are asking that person to whom you are talking right now, connected with the opposite person. With that person, you are asking, can I talk to? Can I speak to Mary? You need permission to talk to Mary. And next one, as long as you live here, you can use all my stuff. As long as you live here, you can use all my stuff. That this person allow are given permission to use their stuff as long as still you stay there, until you stay their home, you are allowed to use their things, use their things at their home or where they are living. It depends. So you are permitted to use their things. That is what it means. How long you will be there in their home. So you have rights. You have no objection to use their stuff, their objects, their things. That is what it means. And the next one, you can join the party tonight. You can join the party tonight. Not too late. Please be home at 2 at 2 p.m. You have permission. You got permission to join the party night during their night time, but you should be back home at 2 p.m. But you are not allowed after 2 p.m. You should get back home 2 o'clock. You are allowed to join the party, but you should be back at 2 p.m. That is what it means. And next one, he has lived in Germany for 10 years, so he can speak German very well. He was there for 10 years, so he has learned how to speak German. So he can speak German. He doesn't have any problem to speak German. He knows how to speak. So he speaks very well. That is what it means. Being there for 10 years in German, he can speak a German language. That is what his ability, his skill to this German. He has that power to speak. He has that skill to speak. He can able to. He will able to speak this language. He knows. Being there for, he was there for 10 years, so he knows very well. That is what it means. I hope you understand these sentences. Can, we often use can to talk about someone's ability to do something and ask permission to do something. We ask with someone or somebody uh, to use something, to do something, and another in one more situation, possibility of getting something. That is where we use, and we use can present perfect and future tense. In both the situation we use can, and could we also use could, which is in less formal way of use could, and past tense of can. Yeah, I hope you understand this sentence can. Yeah, thank you. Bye for now.